So, you've got your receipts, you've got Expensify, but you're stuck on a simple question: how do I add a card to Expensify? Well, fear not, expense warriors. We're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of this digital expense management tool. Expensify is a fantastic tool to streamline your expense reporting process. By adding your cards to the platform, you can automate expense tracking, saving you time and effort. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Expensify account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Enter your login credentials and sign into your account. Navigate to your profile settings. Once logged in, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile to access your settings. Access the Payment Methods section. Within your profile settings, you'll find a section labeled Payment Methods. Click on this option to proceed. Add a new card. In the Payment Methods section, you'll see a button or link to add a new card. Click on this to initiate the card addition process. Enter card details. You'll be prompted to enter the following information: cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, CVV code. Double-check the accuracy of the information before proceeding. Save your card. Once you've entered all the required details, click on the Save Card button. Expensify will securely store your card information. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when adding cards to online platforms. Ensure you're using a secure Wi-Fi network and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Card limits. Be mindful of your card's spending limits and ensure they align with your business expenses. Expensify's mobile app. For added convenience, you can add cards directly to the Expensify mobile app. The process is similar to the web-based version. Expensify's support. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Expensify's customer support. They can provide tailored assistance and troubleshooting tips. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly add your cards to Expensify and streamline your expense reporting process. With automated expense tracking and simplified reimbursement, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.